I really want to have a conversation with my motherfucking ancestors, because like, did y'all have endometriosis? Like, what was y'all doing back in the day for all this pain? Like, help me.
He is so extra. He wanted to come outside so bad. And I hope he got a shit. Oh, where? So the sun is beaming out here. Oh my gosh. It felt so good yesterday at the park, and now today it's like hot. So this is crazy. It's 4:44, and it's 80. You can't see it, and it's 84 degrees. So yeah. Whew. This is crazy. I can't wait for fall. On the way. Traffic lights. I hate this bitch. I was literally getting ready to talk, and then gonna have her to tell us to make a left. We're on the way to the park.
Appreciate it.
Had to say that fast before he started talking again. Okay, see y'all when we get to the park. The grass is wet, and I'm so happy that you couldn't even see me. I am not going to get bullied today out of my spot. There's so many people here to play Pokemon. Okay, I gotta set my phone up. It's chilly out here. I was not prepared for it to be cold. I'm gonna set it on this phone and turn on personal hotspot. Okay, I'm about to I was hooked up to the personal hotspot, and I'm about to try to play Pokemon. I need to spin Pokestops. So I have no, it's 10:10. I have no, look at this. I have no fucking Pokemon. Is that a Bulbasaur? Oh my gosh, I don't have any Pokeballs. No, I don't want to do that. I'm trying to. What you mean my bag is full? So I left the tripod for the digital camera highly upset. And I was trying to play Pokemon Go and it said I ran out of storage. So now I'm editing my vlog. I am freaking sick. I'm freaking starving.
No shinies.
No shinies yet.
Just candy and experience and stardust.
Tons of that.
That one I knew, but I
You're a woo-woo warrior. Welcome. Everyone who starts is. It's okay.
How does it grow?
Don't do that to my image of Snorlax.
No.
So
Don't
it would have to
ruin
be a
it.
fungus of some sort type.
No, a bunch of little villagers climbed on top of them.
This is not
And built an island.
Trees.
This is not Simpsons. It
art.
doesn't work that way.
It's art. It's art.
This is not Lisa's Tooth
Someone
episode.
3D printed.
Okay, so we are done with the Pokemon raid. And that was a while. But I got me some cool Pokemon. And I tried to edit as much as I could. I'm tired. That's all I'm waiting on is to hear what they say too, cause I want to know what the test said, cause we already know it's stage 4, but I want to know what they saw. How bad is it? How much surgery? Like how many hours am I going to be up under? Like I got questions.
Living with chronic in 4 hours or more. Botox prevents headaches and treatment is 4 times a year. So why wait? Talk to your doctor.
Botox effects may spread hours to weeks after injection, causing serious symptoms. Alert your doctor right away as trouble swallowing, speaking, breathing, eye problems, or vision. Those with these conditions before injection are at highest risk. Side effects may include allergic reactions like rash, breathing pain, and headache. Don't receive Botox if there's a skin infection. Tell your doctor your medical history. Muscle or nerve conditions like ALS, myasthenia gravis, or diabetes toxins, which may increase the risk of serious side effects.
In a survey, 91% of people talk sooner. Ask your doctor today. If eligible, you may pay $0.
Good motherfucking morning, besties. Oh my gosh. When I say, first of all, TMI, I'm on my period. And I think it's a real period. I don't think it's an endo period. Which that's cool and all. But this shit is off the fucking chain. This motherfucking shit has stopped me in my goddamn tracks. Like, oh my gosh. Do I still want to get the surgery? Absolutely not. But yeah, I don't know. Like, this is crazy. The pain woke me up out of my sleep. Like, it stopped me. Like, in my glasses are so dirty from crying. Like, I've been up. And now I feel like I need to be some type of productive because I don't want to be laying in the bed. Because it makes me feel like I'm not doing anything, but I'm in pain. This shit crazy. I'm gonna try to work on some nails. And I'm gonna watch Star. Come on, let's go.
So we just came back from August. This is this. Groceries is crazy because that wasn't a lot. I am not cooking dinner tonight because I barely can stand up straight. I'm going to throw a pizza in the oven. I want to put my nails on, but on my period, and I use a Teacup, and it's making me mad because this shit is so nasty. I just fucking hate being a girl. Like, this shit does not make no sense.
Oh my god. At long last. What do you mean, let me make? This is security breach too. Okay, and the little secluded office is over here, right? Inventory thing by the shooting game, though. I guess I can put it here. Put that there. Another generator down. Alright. Alright.
I woke up in the most fucked up pain ever. Then I had to cook breakfast. Had to take the dog outside. He messed up my blanket, by the way.
We at work. We gonna do this. You got this. You gotta do it for yourself. But I be here. You need help. Okay, bye.
I don't know if you can see me, but I kind of got some shrimp. So I have broccolis on the stove. It's going to steam and get real tender. I'm cooking jasmine rice, and we're going to have regular salmon. Come and sit. Yes, I know. I need more seasonings. I'm going to Soulard soon.
Suck my ass. Don't say shit about me cooking. Y'all better. Don't say a damn thing negative about the seasonings. Okay? Just comment and say you're doing a good job. If you don't know, we'll find you. Just kidding. Bye. Stop pooping.
Broccoli is boiled.
Eat your ass.
And the rice is on the, what you call it. But look how pretty it looks.
My dog's outside fucking barking. And I'm enjoying this corn. I don't think I'm supposed to have this. But it's so good. That's my last time having it. Random as hell, but after I got my diagnosis, oh my god. After I had got my diagnosis with endometriosis, and I had my first surgery put in the seat that I had endo, I randomly started having fucking pains in my upper abdomen. And come to fucking find out, in my abdomen, there's fucking endometriosis. It literally feels like rubber bands. Sometimes. It's quite interesting. It's fucked up. I don't wish this on anybody. And I don't wish this on anybody. But somehow, a bad bitch like me got this fucking disease. What a wonderful time to be the fuck alive. Oh, but before my root system, not my body, but my brain, interrupted me, TMI, but I have never been to the bathroom this much in my life. And I go to the bathroom a lot. Not like number 2 or nothing. But I pee a lot. And I'm like, is it because it isn't that? And that's like, this endo is really, don't put in a number. Ooh. I need to go get my heating pad. I am really yapping in this vlog. This is really good. What you say? Like, so earlier I was saying that, like, how did the ancestors get through the pain? They definitely was doing drugs. Like, I'm standing on it. They was definitely doing drugs. And I just need to know what drugs were they doing, because the drugs that I'm being given aren't working. So, like, I need to know what herbs. They're cutting the grass, so I hope you can hear me. Something just flew out my mouth.
You outside.
Wolf keeps saying I'm outside, but I really feel like that they was doing something other than in pain. At this point, when I go to farmer's market, I'm gonna buy so much shit. Now I know macaroon does other things, but yeah, I was just about to say, it says it's good for the immune system, so I'm going to start taking that because my asthma has been off the chain. Okay, I'm done talking. I've been talking for a while now, and I'm just manically ranting. I have not been on my meds. We'll talk about that later, but I'll be back. Y'all, how do I say this without it sounding obnoxious? I am tired. It's shit happening this weekend. It's my sister's birthday. And guess who's having a flare-up still? Me. Like, why is it not stopping? And then on top of that, I keep watching videos on the surgery that I need to get done, and people have good outcomes, and then some people don't have good outcomes. And I'm just like, why me? Like, why me? Why me? Like, what did I do to deserve this? Like, why isn't there more testing for women? Like, this is so fucked up, and I'm so fucking frustrated, and I'm mad. I'm mad as hell. Like, I'm so fucking mad. Y'all, this pain, I think I'm gonna get the surgery.
Guys, I made it out the house. I got my heating pack on. It's not on because I'm a big girl, but I have it on for just in case. I got my wolf shirt on too, hoodie. And then I got shorts on, and I'm on my period. We outside.
Keep on. Even when my hair is retwisted, it don't fit like that.
Oh, you ready to get your hair retwisted? Y'all, I lost my freaking library card. I don't know where it is. I wonder would they give me another one. At the library, returning these games. And a book. They got JoJo's Bizarre Adventures map. You see it? Yu Hakusho. Batman, Catwoman, DC, Monsters. Which one is this? Oh, this is book 1. Monsters, but that's the big book. Okay, we made it to the Pokemon raid. I don't think I have enough. I don't have enough battery. It might not let me do it. Both phones don't have no battery actually, but I'm about to do it anyway. I'm about to hook up to the. Okay, I'm not playing Pokemon because I don't have any storage, and it says that I need to like spin stops, and my bag is full, and I don't want to delete nothing else. So yeah, and Wolf has 1 raid pass or 2 raid passes on each phone, and I think they used both of them. Oh, I think they fixed it. Okay. I think I'm about to edit, but I've been editing, but I think I'm about to edit. It is 6:20. Mind you, Wolf got class at 7. Okay, we're back home. I'm tired. I'm tired. I feel okay right now. I took a muscle relaxer. I took some fucking naproxen, and I was having a panic attack, so I had to take my anxiety medication. But yeah, the park was really cool. And then, of course, the library is always pleasant. Oh, I left my book in the car. I must go get it. So I just found out I gotta give up caffeine. And I'm okay with that, but I'm not at the same time. Okay, unpack my bag with me. If you hear little footsteps, that's Booty walking around. Hi. Sit. I always over freaking pack when I do anything. Like, it be so much shit in this bag. Do I need all this shit? Yes. Medicine, switch, chargers, pencils for journaling, headphones, hand sanitizers, maybe more than it should be. The knockoff of the real shit, but it feels nice. It's not knockoff to me. It's $1.25 or $1.50. I think I showed it in the last vlog, but yeah. It smells delicious. Chargers. And this thing for notebook and stuff. Chips from earlier. My tech stuff. Essentials. Portable charger. Endometriosis things. Wallets. My Karami mirror. Journals. And laptop. Everything that's needed. Oh, and another hand sanitizer. So that's a lot of sanitizers that I have in my bag. But it's okay.